very good morning students. Today we are going to learn exercise 13.6 third question. So the question is, a soft drink is available in two packs. A tin with a rectangular base of length 5 cm, width 4 cm and height 15 cm. Second, a plastic cylinder with circular base of diameter 7 cm and height 10 cm. Which contains has greater capacity and by how much? So he is asking the capacity. So definitely we need to find out the volumes of these two packs of the soft drinks. So let us see the word solution. In first case, a tin with rectangular base. So definitely a tin with rectangular base will be in the shape of a cuboid. So length of the cuboid is 5 cm and breadth is 4 cm. Height is 15 cm. So volume of tin is equals to LBH, which is 5 into 4 into 15. So 5 4 20, 20 into 15 will be 300 centimeter cube. So this is the case for first tin. Next, second tin. So in second case, it is in cylindrical in shape. So diameter is given 7 cm. So radius will be 7 by 2. And height will be 10 cm. So in this case the volume of cylinder equals to pi r square h, which is 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 10. So 2 ones, 2 11s, 2 ones, 2 5s. So overall it will be 35 into 11, which is 385 centimeter cube. So now the question is, which is having the more capacity. Therefore, second tin, which is in the shape of a cylinder, has more capacity by 85 centimeter cube. Okay, next question in the same exercise, fifth question. The question is, if cost, so it cost rupees 2200 to paint the inner curved surface area of cylinder vessel 10 meter deep. If the cost of painting is rupees 20 per meter square, find the inner curved surface area, radius and capacity of the vessel. Let us see the word solution for this. So given total cost is 2200, cost for 1 meter square it is rupees 20. So he is clearly mentioning the inner curved surface area. So inner curved surface area is equals to total cost divided by cost per meter square. So total cost here it is 2200 divided by 20. So it is 110. So 110 meter square is our inner curved surface area. But we have the formula. So this is the first bit answer. We need to find out the radius. So second bit radius in order to get. So inner curved surface area is equals to 110. That is 2 pi RH is equals to 110. So 2 into 22 by 7 into R into 10 is equals to 110. 0 gets cancelled. So R is equals to 11 into 7 by 22 into 2. So 11 on 7 2, that is 7 by 4. So radius is 7 by 4. The next is asking the capacity. So third one is capacity. So capacity in the sense of volume. So volume formula is pi R square H. That is 22 by 7 into 7 by 4 into 7 by 4 into 10. So 7 gets cancelled. 2 2s, 2 11s, 2 1s, 2 5s. So it is 11 into 35 by 4. That is 385 by 4. So if you simplify, 4 9s are 36. 4 6 are 24, 96.25 meter square. Meter cube, this is the volume. Since capacity, so it will be in terms of meter cube. This is meters. So we can write this as 1.75 also. 1.75 meters. Okay, the next question, example 15. The height and slant height of a cone are 21 centimeter and 28 centimeter respectively. Find the volume. So given height of cone, which is 21 centimeter, slant height of cone, centimeter. So we have a relation L square is equals to H square plus R square, slant height and height of the cone and radius of the cone relation. So here it is 28 square is equals to 21 square plus R square. So 28 square 784 is equals to 441 plus R square. So it will be 343 is equals to R square. So root of 343 is equals to R. So R can be written as 7 root 7 centimeter. So he is asking us to find the volume. So volume of cone, which is 1/3 of the volume of the cylinder. So 1 by 3 into pi R square H. So 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 7 root 7 into 7 root 7 into 21. So 7 gets cancelled. 3 1s, 3 7s. So overall answer is 749 into 7. So 7546 centimeter cube will be the final answer. Okay, next example 16. Question is, Monica has a piece of canvas whose area is 551 meter square. She uses it to have a conical tent made up of radius 7 meter. Assuming that all the stitches and margins and wastage incurred while cutting approximately 1 meter square, find the volume of the tent that can be made with it. Okay, she is making a conical tent and she is removing 1 meter square from the total area. So let us see the word solution for this. total area of canvas 551 meter square. So we are getting a wastage. So wastage area, which is 1 meter square. Therefore left area of canvas. So apart from the wastage, whatever the left area is there, that is 551 minus 1, that is 550 meters square. So this is the left area of the canvas. So this will be therefore curved surface area of canvas is equals to 550 meters square so that is pi RL. Pi RL is equals to 550. So pi is 22 by 7, radius is 7 into L is equals to 550. So L is 550 by 22, 11 2s, 11 50s, that is 25 meters. So slant head we got it as 25 meters. Now we want the height. So we have the relation L square is equals to H square plus R square, that is 25 square is equals to H square plus 7 square. So 625 H square plus 49 6 so 576 is equals to H square, that is 24 is equals to H. So height of the cone is 24. So we need to find out the capacity. That is volume of conical tent which is 1 by 3 pi R square H. So that is 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into radius is 7 into H. Height we got it as 24. 7 7 gets cancelled, 3 1s, 3 8s. So 22 into 56. So it is 1232 meter cube. So this is the final volume of the conical tent.